Welcome everyone. Question on polymer. Monomers of pteryline are. Choices are A. Phenol and formaldehyde, B. Ethylene and vinyl acetate, C. Ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid, D. Ethanol and butane. Answer is C. Ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is ethylene glycol and this is terephthalic acid. N molecules of ethylene glycol react with N molecules of terephthalic acid to form pteryline. Thank you for watching this video.